Hi, so in this video we're going to see how to connect your Google account to the Quintech dashboard. Now the first thing we want to do here is to navigate to Connect channel and then we select Connect Google. So there are several reasons why you might want to connect your Google account. The first one is you want to sync and create sheets from here. So let's say you want to save customers' data, which is of course when they send you a message on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. Sometimes you might want to ask them for some informations and you want to save those information on a Google Sheet, so you can maybe run a marketing campaign or a broadcast separately on your CRM or whatever. You can connect Google Sheet to do that. Secondly, you can also connect Google Calendar, right? So here, let's say you allow your customers to book an appointment with you. So when you do this, what this will do is it will sync with your Google Calendar and then it will create appointments, sync with your calendar, and then generate a Google Meet link, of course, share to the customer. So since it's added to your calendar, you will also be able to see it inside of your calendar. So these are reasons why you might want to connect your Google account. Now in this case, let's click on sign in with Google. This is going to take us to the Google login page. And then of course we can select the account you want to connect. And then once you do that, it's going to ask you for some permissions. So you have to allow the permissions, to be able to create Google Sheets, to be able to create connect with your Google Calendar, to create link and all of that. So about 7 of them. You can accept all of them. Then you click on continue. So once you do, it is going to connect your Google account. So as you can see here, the Google account is connected, which is visible here. So you can sync data, you can even unlink it to delete it, Then from here you can see we already have some Google Sheets already showing here. So it's already pulling in those sheets that we have. So let's create a new sheet. Let's reload this page and then let's create a new sheet. We'll click on create new sheets. Select our account. Let's just type new Google Sheets. So click on save. So save successfully. Now if we scroll down, this is the Google Sheets we just created now. As you can see, it is visible here. Also, when we navigate to Google Sheets, we're going to see it here. This is it. New Google Sheet. As you can see here, it's already here. So from here we can view entries or details or information here. So let's do a demo of why how you can transfer data to your Google Sheets. So let's go to the WhatsApp bot. Then we're going to select an existing WhatsApp bot. Let's click on edit. So let's say if the customer sends us a message, which is this, we want to welcome them and then we want to ask them for some information. So let's use user input flow. Yeah. So let's say we want to ask them, can add a new input flow. Let's say user data flow, whichever name, you can name it anything you want. Now sync data to what? Google Sheets. Let's connect this new Google Sheet we just created now. So save it. Now the first question is, let's say, what is your name? We save it. Next question, let's say we want to ask them, how old are you? Let's save it. So now this is the question we're asking them. Let's save it. Oh yeah, we have to complete the flow. So after that, we have to send them a thank you message. Thank you for your input. Save. Now we can save this flow. So once it has been saved, then we can now test it. So let's go to the chat. Let's send a message. Now it's asking us, you can see, welcome to, what is your name? Let's say your name is Williams. He asks us, how old are you? 65. Thank you for your input. Right? Simple. Now let's go back. Of course, if we go to your dashboard here, if you go to your inbox, yes, of course, you see this information, right, as a chat. Now, because we've connected the Google Sheet to that conversation, right, we are going to see it inside of our Google Sheet. So as you can see here, this is it. Right, this is the customer phone number, this is the username, this is the name we're asking for, this is the phone number. So from here now you can connect this to your CRM, you can do a lot of things, since you have data. So that is the benefit of connecting your Google account. So in our next video we're going to explore other ways, and we can also use the Google account integration. Thank you.